In this guide, you'll learn how to make an NFL playback bracket. First, you need to understand the current playoff format used by the National Football League. The NFL uses a 14-team playoff system with 7 teams from the ACF and 7 teams from the NFC. In each conference, the top 4 teams are division winners and the remaining 3 are wildcard teams with the best records. Only the one seed in each conference receives a first round bye, while the other 6 teams play in the wildcard round. Start by listing the playoff teams for each conference once the regular season ends. Seed them from 1 through 7 based on the records and tiebreakers. Place these teams into a blank playoff bracket separating the AFC and NFC sides. In the wildcard round, the matchups are 2 versus 7, 3 versus 6, and 4 versus 5 in each conference. After that, move on to the divisional round, where the 1 seed plays the lowest remaining seed and the other 2 teams face each other. Winners then advance to the conference championships, and finally, the AFC and NFC champions meet in the Super Bowl. You can make your bracket digitally using websites like printable bracket generators, spreadsheet templates, or sports apps, or you can draw it manually on paper for bracket challenges. As games are played, simply advance the winning teams to each round until you have a Super Bowl prediction. Making an NFL playoff bracket is a great way to stay engaged during the postseason, track predictions, and complete friends or online pools. And that's it. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.